The topic is the passive. I have already discussed about the roles of passive. Now we shall discuss about the use of passive in different parts of sentences. Look at the blackboard and watch carefully. Now you see how passive is formed in present simple sentence. The form of passive is the verb changed in passive in present simple sentences is, am, are plus past participle of verb form. You see, children play badminton here every afternoon. Here, children is the subject, play is the present simple verb, badminton is the object. The sentence is in active form. If we change the sentence into passive form, the object comes to the subject position and subject children goes to the object position. So here the subject is badminton. Badminton is played here every afternoon. So children play badminton here every afternoon. Active sentence changes to passive sentence. Badminton is played here every afternoon. Now you see past simple verb changes to was, were plus past participle for verb form. You see the sentence, the thief stole my purse yesterday. The thief is the subject, stole first simple verb, my purse object of the sentence. So this sentence is the active sentence. If we change the sentence into passive one, the sentence will be my purse was stolen yesterday. My purse object comes to the subject position. So my purse stole past simple verb changes to was stolen. So the sentence passive form is my purse was stolen yesterday. Dear students, now you see how the present progressive and past progressive changes in the active to passive. Present progressive. Each present progressive verb it changes to is, are, am, being plus past participle form of verbs. You see the active sentence. The teacher is working out the song. Here the teacher is subject. Is working verb group, transitive verb, and the song is the object. You see, the object, the song, comes to the subject position in the passive sentence. The song is being worked out on the blackboard. The song subject is being worked out. Here, being is used for ing form of a verb. So the sentence is the sum is being worked out on the blackboard. Next you see past progressive. How past progressive verb form changes to passive. Past progressive verb form is was where being past participle form of verb in passive. You see the sentence, active sentence. The painter were painting the walls of my room green. Here the painter is the subject. Where painting is the verb. The walls of my room is the object. So now the object comes to the subject position in the passive sentence. The walls of my room were being painted green. So for ing form being is used here. So the sentence is the walls of my room were being painted green. Dear students, now you see how the present perfect verbs change to passive. Present perfect verb changes to has, have, been plus past participle form of the verb. You see the sentence, the decorator has decorated the room. Here the decorator is the subject, has decorated is the verb, and the room is the object. Now the object room comes to the subject position. In passive sentence, the room is the subject. The room has been decorated. Here has decorated, verb has decorated changes to has been decorated. Next you see past perfect. How past perfect verb changes in the passive. The past perfect verb is had, been plus past participle form of the verbs. You see the sentence, the storm had blown up the roofs of houses. Here the storm is the subject, had blown up verb group, roofs of the houses object. The sentence is the active sentence. When it becomes passive, roofs of the houses object comes to the subject position. The passive sentence is roofs of the houses had been blown up in the storm. Here the verb had blown up changes to had been blown up. So you see how the different patterns of sentence changes into passive. And remember, you should remember, point to remember for you, present and past perfect progressive verbs cannot be passivized. Dear students, now you see how passive with the modals or how modals are used in passive. The form is shall, will plus be plus past participle verb form. You see the sentence on the blackboard. The typist will type the letter soon. Here the typist is subject, will type is verb, the letter is object. Now the letter comes to the first position, subject position in the passive sentence. The letter will be typed very soon. Here, notice, here will type verb. has been changed into will be type. Like this, other modals such as shall, would, must, may, might, can, would, ought to, need not, used to, etc. used in passive in this way. Next, dear students, you see passives with get and have. You see the sentence, the barber cut his hair. The barber cut his hair. Here, the barber is subject, cut is verb, his hair is object. Now, when we turn the sentence into passive, the sentence is, or his hair object comes to the first position, but it may not. The sentence, when we turn this sentence into passive, the sentence will be, he got his haircut or he had his haircut. So, look at this sentence carefully and you should do like this. Dear students, now the grammar class of today is over. You should wait for the next class. Thank you for watching the class mindfully. You should wait for next class. Again, thank you.